Hi there, welcome back to another video. Younes Charfaoui is here, and in this tutorial we are going to see about while loop and do while loop in Kotlin, always in the series about Kotlin for beginners. So let's get started. Always with an empty project, we will try to experiment with while loop. Now, while loop, it works with only a Boolean condition. While something is true, keep iterating. That's simple. So if you want to say that if, let's have, for example, we want to do a count, something like count, want to do var I equal to 0, and while this variable is less than 10, do something. Print, let's say we print like that. While this variable is not 10 yet, print something. Now, we want to make sure that this condition will turn false somewhere in the future, because otherwise it will keep printing until the end of the life.
Emotional, damn it!
We want to increment this I, increment it this way, okay? I plus I equal to 0. That means that I will get 1, then 2, then 3, then until 10. If you run this project, it will print not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. How much many times? 10 times, okay? Because we are starting with 0. Let's print here the value of I. It will print it from 0 to 9, okay? So now this, we can change this to something like that, plus or equal, or we can do simply plus plus, okay? Right, again, it will print just the same thing. That's what you need to do. Keep in mind that this is a Boolean condition, okay? If you put true here, it will run forever, okay? That's why it's true, because true will never change to false. And if you put here false, this will never run. You see that this can't print nothing, and it will stop directly, okay? Because the condition is false. We want to make here any condition. You can, this is a wide range of condition you can use here with the while. Now, there is another variant of this loop called the do while loop. Now, you can do something like that while something else is true, okay? We can put just the same example here. We can put while I is less than 10, do something. We'll print this, okay? Delete that and run it. It will print just the same thing. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. We didn't increment the I, so it will print forever. We need to stop it. Go here and type I++. Run it again. And it will stop until 9. Now, the real difference between this and the while loop is that this will run at least one time, because it will go to do this. After that, it will check. Okay, so if I have I is 10, it will run at least one time. Look, it will say 10, then it will check. So if you have 20, of course it will run. It will not yet 20, then it will find that the condition is not true, it will stop. Okay, so if you run it with the 8, it will print for the 8 and the 9. Usually we don't, I don't know, I didn't work a lot with this variant of loop. It is somehow useful sometimes, okay? When we want to use at least one time. So this is it for the while loop and the do while loop. If you didn't watch the video about for loop, you can always watch it on the channel or from here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment below. Subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.